Hey everyone, it's your boy Archer, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the current price of Bitcoin and where I predict Bitcoin going in the next few weeks. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So Bitcoin, it's obvious for the past few weeks we've been in a downtrend momentum, and personally from what I'm seeing due to price action, I see more downward movement. However, this is just my own personal opinion of my market observation. I will be sharing two market scenarios today for Bitcoin, although I would like to stress that I prefer the first scenario would be much more likely than the second scenario, right? So let's hop onto the charts. So just a recap from my last session, this was our all-time high for 64,900 approximately, and then our recent low of $30,000. So from the all-time high here, we have our first impulse downwards, followed by a second correction 2, and an impulse down for 3. So this is where we currently are, and this, guys, is a complex correction. I'm just going to keep this as simple as possible, since this YouTube channel is targeting beginners or intermediate. Of course, as an advanced trader, you could also make do with a lot of information. So let's talk about my first scenario. My first scenario is we've currently done our third impulse to the downward direction, and then we have a correction for W, X, and Y. Okay. Now, initially I was expecting this Y based on my Telegram update to push a bit further up here, just to give me a more likely scenario for this XYZ correction, WXY correction. Sorry. However, we didn't break this previous high. We took out this one, but we didn't take out this one. Still okay. So to me, I believe we're done with our fourth wave correction with the WXY. Of course, our X was more complex. It was truncated ABC, DE, or X. Now, where could this go from here? So if I take my second correction all the way down to the third impulse wave and then to our correction at 4, if we target the 61.8% level, we see Bitcoin at 22,800. This is basically my recent Telegram update. It could of course push a bit further down to the 17,000 or even the 14,000 level over here. Now, is this normal? Yes, of course, and I would be sharing why. If this should happen, meaning if I zoom out to the daily time frame, if we get a correction to the 20,000, simply means that in a larger degree we are currently, or we would be, in a leading diagonal kind of structure, which is perfectly normal, because according to Elliott wave theory, if you're in a leading diagonal, your wave 4 can overlap your wave 1, right, over here. So if I pull up my Fibonacci extension and I draw an extension over here, okay, so even if Bitcoin extends to 17,000, right? I know it's a bit scary, guys, but we're just trying to be really realistic. Even push a bit further down to say the 13,500 level, we would still be in an overall bullish structure, and hence we've adopted the leading diagonal wave theory. Okay, so this is it for my bearish scenario. Although I don't think we're gonna go that deep, I think we're gonna stop somewhere at 22.98 and then start resuming our bullish trend. However, this is just my own personal market speculation. Now, what is my scenario number 2? Which I would stress again, this is, to me, really low probability, but of course this could happen, is the crypto market anyways, right? We could be in a wave structure where we've already completed our 5 waves to the downside. And what would this be? This would be that this is our 1, 2, 3, okay? And then, so this would mean here 3. From here we have our correction A, B, C, D, E, and then a truncated 5. This could be another likely scenario, okay? So let me just draw this out so we're clear, right? So this would mean this is my 4 over here, and this is my 5 over here. And then of course our correction would be A, B, C, D, E, and then we have our 5. Now let me just change this to maybe yellow. Alright. This could be our scenario number 2, and then of course we start seeing some bullish momentum from this point forward, of course, to the upside. And yeah, I've told people in this primary cycle, really, I'm of the opinion, of course, is the 5th wave in crypto is more likely to be the extended wave. Bitcoin could push above the 78,000 to even 80,000 level. This is my price analysis for Bitcoin, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like frequent crypto updates, please join my Telegram channel via the link in the description below and support the boy Archer. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and good luck with your trading journey.